a Tommy knocker?
What? Are you stupid? That's not a Tommy knocker. Everybody knows it's a digit number.
Still in Tinamaha Creek, we woke up well rested and ready for our last destination in Owens Valley, the Alabama Hills. As we packed, some excitement rushed through the camp when we finally found a snake. Something we had been looking for the entire weekend.
This is a species of garter snake. The species that this is in particular is the Sierra Garter Snake, scientific name Thamnophis pucci. The cool thing about garter snakes is that they exhibit this reproductive strategy called viviparity. And what that is basically they give birth to live young. When winter comes, it might make sense for this species of snake to keep its young developing inside the mother, where it might stay relatively warmer than outside, as if the eggs were incubating somewhere else. Science.
Leaving Tinamaha Creek, we set our sights on our first stop on the way to the Alabama Hills, the town of Independence. While we were gassing up, we were asked by some guy wearing a Confederate Army cap if we could jump his car.
Danny jumping someone's car. The town of Independence.
Alright, thank you.
Oh.
Go to Burning Man.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. And I'll be there tomorrow night. Good line.
Hey, what's your name? I'm gonna put you
Chuck Jenkins.
Chuck Jenkins for
Palm Springs.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Look up the Real Desert Dogs, and then
Real Desert Dogs?
you'll be on there on YouTube.
All right. All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
While Chuck was wearing his Confederate cap for the Burning Man festival, it was still an interesting coincidence, as the Civil War plays an integral part to this story. Union sympathy was strong in this town. See that sign right there? It'll come into play later on. It's the name of a mining district out here, which was named after a U.S. Navy ship. So, we hit the road again. Our next stop was the Mount Whitney Portal, our ticket to the Alabama Hills. First and foremost, the Alabama Hills is known for its rock formations, which have an orange color. This type of rock is a metamorphic rock and was formed deep under the earth as a mixture of other rocks. The reason why it's called the Alabama Hills is because down here, south of Independence, these people were Confederate sympathizers. After hearing of the exploits of the Confederate ship, the CSS Alabama, they named their mining claims after the ship. In 1864, however, the USS Kearsarge wound up sinking the ship, and in celebration, the Union sympathizers up north named their mining district the Kearsarge District. Nearby, we actually found one of the mines that was probably being worked on by those Confederate sympathizers. So we thought, what the heck? It would be fun to do our own EVP reading.
Hello? Is there somebody here with us? What is your name? How did you die?
They strung me up on dead trees.
Pretty interesting. So, why did that happen?
I got caught stealing dog game.
Were you alive during the time when Charlie Brown was created?
I knew a man named Charlie Brown. He's buried in Johannesburg.
How about Wild Bill Hickok?
Yeah, I heard of him.
What about the real desert dogs? Have you heard of them?
The real desert dogs. Of course.
You hear that?
We're going global, man. Going global. We're going supernatural. We're not just going global. We're going into the next dimension.
Yeah.
The next, yes, what you heard is correct. The next dimension does have internet access.
I'm Andrew Perry. Let's try and keep it reasonable out there.
You hear that? Hey Marty, is that a Tommy knocker?
No, man, I told you, Tommy knockers can't possibly exist. You know, there has to be a logical explanation for that sound. It's obviously some midget in somebody's back.